Yo guys, what's up? So you guys are about to watch me live trade 2 trades back to back here. I took in about $5,300 of profit this morning since 8 in the morning. Yeah, because Peanut has been a very volatile coin. I did very well trading this coin. It's been one of the, it's no problem that it's moved 300%. I'm not scared of the volatility. I trade this guy in the seconds time frame. So you guys are going to really enjoy this live trade while I narrate it for you. I'm telling you, man, you guys need to get into my elite tier private Discord trading group. You're going to learn so much in there. You're going to get a lot of the signals that I provide. You're going to also get the Philakone course version 3.0, mastering the day trading markets. You're also going to get the advanced volatility scanner. Man, I'm telling you, 3 months in there with me, you're going to learn things you never knew that was possible. And you're going to see the way that I trade, and you're going to learn a lot about the strategies that I use. So DM me, guys. There's still surprisingly 1 slot left to join the elite group this month. Only 5 people can get in a month. Let's go. DM me. The cost is $9.50. Invest in yourself. Come see what I can do for you. Let's go. Alrighty, guys. See the bigger picture? The lower highs. It's making like a descending kind of triangle. 15 minutes, so showing a lot of bearishness already. Oh, there's also this pattern here that looks like it wants to drop down, right? So if this falls to the downside, it's going to be a really big drop. I'm very, very sick today still. But I woke up to trade, and here we are. So this looks like there's a potential massive drop to the downside. They tried to bull trap upwards there. They tried to break like up here. It did break it, but it rejected. And the fact that it rejected, it came back down. That was my entry. That was a very good entry. So if it continues down like that, that's going to be a really large drop. I mean, it's making lower highs every single time. Right, lower highs every single time. I'm already up a little bit, not that much. But it could turn into a really big drop. Yeah. I'm only trading a small position too, though. I trade only like 60K, 70K. It's small. I mean, let's see if there's momentum to smash this down, or if it's gonna go up. And it goes down. Oh, nice. Up 2,000. Almost 2,000. Let's see if there's momentum, or if it's going to get bull trapped. I mean, you just never know nowadays. But there's a gap. The gap in there shows a very strong sell-off. But you never know, man, in crypto. Anything can go. I'm just seeing if it's going to be stronger, the drop. If it's even the drop, I mean, you know, that looks like it could maybe not even the drop. You know, maybe it didn't even break down. Maybe this is the support that held right there. I think I'm drawing it as conservatively as possible. So now, if it's going to drop, it's going to drop here. Do you guys know what I mean by drawing it as conservatively as I can? When it comes to drawing the trend line here. I mean, there's many ways to draw it, but this is like the best way I could angle it to give it the most generous respect. So because of that, like, it needs to be considered the best way. I don't like the way it is looking, so forget it, I'm out. I'll take my $1,100 profit. Boom. I'm out, guys. I don't care about it. Yeah, that was a decent trade. Took about $1,000. Not bad, I'll take it. Another trade, guys. Back-to-back trades. I'm very, very sick under the weather. I simply entered the trade because it fell down and it tried to go back up actually many times. See that? It tried to go back up several times. but it fails the re-entry because of this wick right here, because of this guy right here. Yeah, so because it fails, I decided to enter. Now I think it's just gonna ride down. Yeah, it's gonna ride down. Just a matter of time until I make a big profit on this trade. It might even hit 199 again. It's a possibility for sure. So I tried to get back in there again, up there, but it rejected hard. I was gonna stop myself out, honestly, but I didn't. I just let it ride further and further. So this is a decent trade so far, but you never know with crypto. It could easily just get back up there anytime. I'm down on my trade right now. Down a little bit. Should be up soon though. I don't see a reason why it would hold here. It doesn't need to hold here in any way. More likely to drop than anything, considering the triangle is in really hard right now. Like, this pattern is in. This pattern is in. It's gonna come down. Let's see it drop. It's sure hesitating. It just needs to take out this. That's like kind of a contentious region right now. Like around here, or actually around here. Yeah. Needs to make a big drop. Needs to drop below like 2.17-ish. Or 2 point, like right that where that white line is. And then it'll be a really good drop. If you guys want to learn all my strategies, man, I'm telling you, you gotta join my elite tier Discord group. Take my course, get into my elite private Discord group, a group where I give all the signals to enter. Where you guys get my advanced volatility scanner. The course is 20 hours long. It's awesome. Tried to get up there, but it failed again. So now I think it's gonna hammer it down and smash finally. Because this is a very, very strong trend line that's got momentum to come down. So because of that, I added more to my short position. But it needs to break this support. Like, it needs to break 2.12. But it's having trouble. Like, every time it gets there, see, it's not penetrating it well. I don't like that momentum. I don't like how it's held 3 times up. But this is a strong sell. Let's see, it's not really breaking down. See, do you see what I mean? It's not breaking down. The momentum gets swapped right away. Like, the bulls are actually holding it here. I don't know why the bulls are trying to hold this specific zone. I hope we don't retrace all the way back up there. I don't like that at all. That the bulls are holding hard, like an unbelievable amount. You know, so it doesn't make sense to me why they're doing that. Tried to get up there, but it failed again. So now I think it's gonna hammer it down and smash finally. Because this is a very, very strong trend line that's got momentum to come down. So because of that, I added more to my short position. But it needs to break this support. Like, it needs to break 2.12. But it's having trouble. Like, every time it gets there, see, it's not penetrating it well. I don't like that momentum. I don't like how it's held 3 times up. But this is a strong sell. Let's see, it's not really breaking down. See, do you see what I mean? It's not breaking down. The momentum gets swapped right away. Like, the bulls are actually holding it here. I don't know why the bulls are trying to hold this specific zone. I hope we don't retrace all the way back. It looks like the bulls are finally breaking it. Nope. Actually, the complete opposite. There was a big wick to the downside. Now it just actually looks like there's a potential for it to break upwards instead of down. Like basically break this entire trend. This 15-minute kernel is being a little pompous prick. So I don't know if it's gonna break down. I don't think I want to be able to swing this anymore. There's a lot of risk. So it really needs to break down. I mean, like, here we go, maybe. There's another potential break. I mean, this one's a big potential. Nope. Wick again. See, every time there's a wick. I mean, now, finally, yes, breaks. Up $2,000, gonna close. Up 2,000, gonna close my short. And I'm gonna close here. Slowly at a time. Close short. And let's get out. Well done. Nice. My last 3 trades just now. Took in $3,000 this morning. Since 8 in the morning, as you can see, I took in $3,000. Then before that, I took another like 3K here. Here I took in like 9,000, so I'm on like a $15,000 winning streak.